In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tax digital services in Australia using Xero. If you're offering digital services, keeping track of taxes is crucial, and Xero is a great tool to help simplify the process. Let's walk through the steps to ensure your accounts are properly set up with the right tax codes. First, start by navigating to the top of your Xero dashboard where you'll find the Accounting menu. When you hover over this menu, a drop-down will appear. From there, select Chart of Accounts. This is where you have a comprehensive view of all your financial accounts that are recorded in Xero. Once you've reached the Chart of Accounts screen, the next thing you need to focus on is setting the correct tax rates for your revenue accounts. In Australia, for digital services, this often means assigning the GST, or Goods and Services Tax, to your income accounts. This is an important step as it ensures that you are compliant with local taxation laws, allowing you to accurately calculate the GST you owe or have paid. Find the specific account that you want to adjust. It might be labeled as something like sales income or any other relevant revenue stream. Click on that account to open up its details. Now, you'll want to look for the section that allows you to update tax settings. You should see a drop-down menu labeled as the tax rate or something similar. After clicking on the tax drop-down, you'll see several options, but look specifically for GST. Select GST, as this applies to digital services in Australia that exceed a certain threshold. Setting this will automatically apply the GST rate to any income coded to this account, helping you manage your taxable revenue effectively. Once you've applied these settings, you can be confident that your income is correctly coded for GST. Remember that staying on top of these details not only ensures your compliance, but can also simplify your bookkeeping and end-of-year accounting processes. It's always a great practice to regularly review your chart of accounts and double-check these settings to account for any changes in tax laws or your business operations. And just like that, you're done. Following these simple steps can help streamline your accounting processes in Xero and keep you on the right side of tax regulations. Make sure to apply these settings to all relevant accounts to ensure consistency across your financial records. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more financial management tips and tutorials.